Accidents can happen anywhere, at any time. But when it comes to the workplace, employers have a crucial responsibility to ensure that their employees are safe and protected from harm. Workplace accidents can lead to serious injuries, illnesses, or even fatalities, which can have a profound impact on the affected employee and their family. However, the good news is that most workplace accidents are preventable by taking proactive steps such as providing proper training, conducting regular risk assessments, and implementing safety control measures. Employers can significantly reduce the risk of accidents and incidents occurring in the workplace. Not only is preventing workplace accidents the right thing to do for the well being of employees, but it also makes good business sense. According to the study by the Occupational Safety and Health Administration, OSHA, businesses can save up to $6 for every dollar spent on the workplace safety. I'll repeat again, businesses can save up to $6 for every dollar spent on workplace safety. This is because workplace accidents can result in increased insurance costs, lost productivity, and even legal liabilities that can be financially damaging to the organization. By preventing accidents, employers can improve productivity, reduce absenteeism, and ultimately create a safer and more efficient workplace. Dear friends and fellows, me and you, let's all work together to make workplaces safer for everyone, whether you are an employer, employee, safety officer, project manager, or simply someone who cares about workplace safety. There are steps that you can take to prevent accidents and ensure that everyone goes home safely at the end of each shift every day. By doing so, we can all play a part in creating a safer, healthier, and more productive workplace for everyone. In the upcoming training session, I'll highlight 15 key strategies how we can prevent workplace accidents, how we can make our workplaces safer, healthier, and more productive. And that's all for now. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Wish to see you soon with a new HSC tutorial. Until then, take care, good luck, and goodbye.